Good afternoon, it's Carolyn here from Waiheke Island down under in New Zealand. It's a bit windy today. I wanted to show you this plant here, which is an olive, so that I could show you how to tip plants, and this applies to any hedging plant, which is what the intention is with this olive. See these really green pieces here? That's new growth, and that's a result of me tipping it about a month ago. So you can see that where there's been a cut there, all these came out. Now, so here's one here that I didn't cut, so I left this on purpose to show you how much it will grow if you don't tip it. See how long it is? And it ends up getting leggy. You don't want any hedging plant to be leggy. All that growth was wasted time. So I'm going to cut this right back in here, maybe to here, because I wanted to fill out this area. And there's one above it as well that I didn't do. See all that? And you can also cut these little new ones as well if you really want to have it super bushy. And you do this by hand at the start when you're trying to get a hedge really bushy. So you'll do this on any olive hedge, any Feijoa hedge, any Griselinia, any Ficus tuffy, anything that you want to look amazing, you need to do this. You need to know how to tip them. Don't just let them grow, because you'll just end up with big, lanky, leggy monsters.